I'm a lion in the booth. Is you mad cause I'm the truth? Only real niggas I salute. Put a fuck boy on the news. Lord, keep me on my feet. In the streets I kept it G. I'ma go hard on these niggas till my soul is rest in peace. Lokes on my face, 30 on my waist. Get out of line, get put back in your place. D-Way and Montana got bank rolls with no manners. Chopper change you to a dancer. Free my trays up out that slammer. Fuck the detectives. Fuck your directives. God on my side, they just mad cause I'm successful. Trey Beats in this bitch. He gon' catch your feet. My niggas don't play like a dog, you better see. I'm from Tennessee. Fuck the enemies. I like to play piano cause I like to play with keys. Bitch, I'm trying to go. Never been a hoe. Unc taught me well. Never talk to the popo. I'ma get this bread till I'm dead. Aim at your shirt till it's red. They gon' need a call the meds. Heard that little nigga was a fed. Damn. Brr, like I'm Gucci. Crip gang nigga, but free Gucci. Moving. If I'm in the club, no groupies. Just gang. All my ex-hoes tryna use me. Kimbo slice a nigga if he test me. Chopper knock him off till he rested. Can't fuck with the law, cause they some asses. Never ran off like a bitch cause I was present, bitch.